Hi Cathy, how you doing? My name's Christian. I'm with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence, free ones. And yeah, so I have your Facebook page pulled up here. So obviously you understand the value of being online. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying Zillow and Realtor and HomeLight and Trulia. Okay, so the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you as well. But when you're building a website, there's a couple things you want to keep in mind. Content, citations, and backlinks is what we're going to go over today. So I do have your CathyMcGrail.com pulled up, and it's kind of just a basic Keller Williams. So I think this is something that maybe is provided to you through Keller Williams. So I'm not sure how much you can actually do on your own. And I'm also not sure how much value this is actually providing you, how many leads are coming through just this website. But so the three things we're going to talk about as far as your website and online presence is your content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. Content isn't just the words, it's also the photos, how the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so on your main page here, you actually have, I would say, less than 200 words max. And so the more you have, the better. You want to have 1,500 minimum. Like I said, this isn't, I don't believe, your website. So I'm not sure how much you can actually do with this. But if you are allowed to do something with this, or if you ever do decide to build your own website, you're going to want to make sure to have 1,500 words minimum on every page you're trying to rank. So maybe a buyer page, a seller page, listings page. You want to have 1,500 words minimum. Also, your photos and how they're saved. So how your photos are saved, Google reads on the back end. So just keep that in mind. There's no point in saving it as random numbers and letters like the computer likes to do sometimes. You want to make sure you save those as buyer intent keywords. Moving forward, citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So I typed in Dayton, Ohio Realtors, okay? We got Her Realtors, we got Board of Realtors, we got Remax Alliance, Greg Wright. So as you can see, Greg Wright's actually in this first page, and I can guarantee you he's getting leads from this. And so I also wanted to show you that down here, this is the first page for Dayton, Ohio Realtors, and your company is not here anywhere. So like I said, how much value is that website providing you? But Zillow sure is, and Realtor.com. And then more importantly, I wanted to go in. So even though you're not a brokerage, I want to point out that you can be in this map pack. So we got Victoria Haywood. We got Sibke Klein, Wright Dunbar, Kim Hill, Kinzeler, Teresa Lucier, right? So these guys are all pulling up. And then as you can see, Keller Williams Hometown Realty is actually like way down here. Way down here. So by the time they get to you guys, they've already got all these ones to go to. So that has to do with citations. Like I said, citations are anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. And then, so the last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that your website is at. So anywhere that CathyMcGrail.com can be found is going to give you a backlink. You actually have 56 backlinks coming from 25 referring domains. But if you notice, your domain rating is only a 19 out of 100. So very low. The thing to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. And you want to make sure your backlinks come from sites that are relevant and not spammy. So very important. Otherwise, it's actually going to lower your domain rating. This domain rating is actually similar to, we could think of it as power and visibility. So the higher your rating, the more visible your website's going to be because the more power that it's been given. Also, of the keywords that you have, you're actually not ranking for any keywords. So for somebody to find your website, they're going to have to either A, click on it from your Facebook page, or type it in specifically. Your website's not being found organically anywhere. So, and Keller Williams Hometown Realty is actually not on the first page either. So, either way, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks and strategies into your website or build your own. And if you have any questions or comments or feedback, do please feel free to get in touch with us. And thank you very much for watching.